Hi, it's Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, looking outside, it's not a very nice day. So I'm going to do a little short video on how to fit your Givi top box onto your nice new R1300Gsa motorbike using the Givi adapter plate. This is the same adapter plate and procedure for your 1300GS as well. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, click and subscribe. So you've got your new bike and you've got your Givi pannier. So you're going to have to purchase one of these. It's the Givi adapter plate. So you can fit your top box onto the BMW top box mount. So this is what you get in the box. The top adapter plate, a plastic bag with an assortment of spacers and screws, and some fitting instructions. Opening the bag, you've got 4 long spacers, 4 small spacers, and 4 bolts which you'll need a 4mm Allen key. You have to remove these 4 screws holding these bits of plastic on. Leave the plastics in place, just remove the screws. You'll need a T30 Torx wrench to do this. They didn't seem to be very tight. This is all filmed in real time. It's quite a quick and easy job to do. Most people will be able to do it as long as you've got the Allen key and the Torx wrench. These are the bolts you've removed. You can see the shoulder on them. This is so that the bolts tighten up onto the metal and not the plastic and damage it. So instead of these shouldered bolts, you've got 4 small spacers. Put them in first. Sometimes you need to remove the plastic and put them in from the back. Mine all went in from the front though. Once you've got the 4 small spacers in, drop the 4 larger ones in on top of them. Now it's time to place your Givi adapter plate on top, lining up the spacers so the bolts go through cleanly. I put all 4 bolts in loosely to make sure they were all lined up nicely, then tightened them down just gently. I didn't tighten the bolts down fully as I have to remove them and put a little tiny blob of loctite onto each one. The T30 Torx won't do these up, you need the 4mm Allen key. Remove the bolts one by one, put a little tiny blob of loctite on them, and as the other 3 bolts are just pinched up, it holds them dead in place. Bolt goes straight back in without any problem whatsoever. The Loctite I'm using is a low strength product, so these bolts will be able to be removed quite easily, but they won't shake or vibrate loose. I checked on the instructions, it doesn't give you any torque setting for these bolts, but the normal torque setting for a 6mm bolt is around 9.5 Newton meters. Please check this yourself, as I don't want you stripping any threads on my say-so. So there you have it, my Givi top box fitted onto my BMW R1300Gsa. Hope you've enjoyed this video or find it useful. Please hit the like button, click and subscribe. And thank you for watching.